Someone knocked at midnight. It was almost midnight. Rain hit every window. Wind whispered outside. Everything felt strangely quiet. Emma lived alone. She loved peaceful nights. She read an old book. The light suddenly flickered. She looked around carefully. Nothing seemed unusual. Then someone knocked. Knock, knock, knock. Emma froze. "Who's there?" she whispered. No answer came. The knocking returned. Knock, knock, knock. It sounded slower. It sounded heavier. Emma checked the clock. Exactly 12 o'clock. Her phone suddenly buzzed. Unknown number appeared. She answered carefully. Only breathing answered. "Ah," someone whispered. The call ended. Emma locked every door. She checked every window. Everything stayed locked. Another knock echoed. Knock, knock, knock. Emma stepped closer. Her heart raced. She peeked outside. Nobody stood there. The porch looked empty. Rain covered everything. She frowned. Echoed behind her. Emma turned quickly. Nobody stood inside. The house stayed silent. She swallowed nervously. The lights flickered again. Then darkness arrived. Everything became black. Emma found a flashlight. She switched it on. The beam shook slightly. Footsteps echoed upstairs. Step, step, step. Emma lived alone. Nobody should exist upstairs. She climbed slowly. Each step creaked loudly. Her breathing quickened. The hallway looked endless. Every bedroom stayed closed. One door slowly opened. Creak. Emma stopped walking. "Hello?" she asked. Nobody replied. Cold air escaped. The room looked empty. An old mirror waited. Emma looked inside. She saw herself. Then another face appeared. It smiled silently. Emma screamed. "Ah!" Echoed everywhere. She spun around. Nobody stood behind. The mirror became normal. Emma blinked twice. The face disappeared. Suddenly laughter echoed. Sounded nearby. It felt unnatural. Emma backed away. Her flashlight flickered, then darkness returned. Something touched her shoulder. Emma jumped. She turned quickly. Nothing stood there, only cold air. The knocking returned downstairs. Knock, knock, knock. Emma hurried downward. The front door trembled. Someone knocked harder. Bang, bang, bang. Emma shouted loudly, "Please leave!" Silence answered. She counted slowly. 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened. Emma unlocked the door. She opened it carefully. Nobody waited outside. Only heavy rain. Only empty darkness. Then she noticed footprints. They looked wet. They entered her house, not outside, inside. Emma followed carefully. The footprints disappeared suddenly. She looked confused. Her phone buzzed again. Another unknown message arrived. It read, "I'm already inside." Emma gasped loudly. Escaped softly. Every light turned on, then switched off. Again, again, again. Emma heard whispering. "Don't look back." She closed her eyes. She stayed perfectly still.
The whisper came closer. Very close. Almost touching. Then everything stopped. Complete silence returned. Morning sunlight entered. Birds sang happily. Emma opened her eyes. Everything looked normal. She smiled nervously. Maybe everything ended. Then someone knocked. Knock, knock, knock. Emma slowly smiled. Echoed softly. She never opened it.